Hey guys, welcome to my channel, and today I will be showing you how to make modern Cinderella in Avatoon. So I have to talk really fast. So on the top right corner we have to get female and then male creation. So I will be going for a default of the face shape and the color. We're gonna get some blush on and some freckles, whichever you like because they're free. And on the very end of the hair section we have a very big bun, and we're gonna make it really yellow and then a bit of shading. And then for the eyes we're going for the default, and eyeliner gonna be that. And the reason I didn't choose about eyeshadow because I wasn't sure that the color changed or not. So this is how the face turned out. So it's time for the clothes. So I thought this one, but I don't like the hat and shoes, so I will be changing them. And for the shoes I have these long boots because we're making her modern. Yeah, and I have a necklace on her neck, and we have this kind of thing because I couldn't find a blue hair catcher. So here is the final look. Hope you guys enjoyed it. If you want more, I will be putting these time by time. So thank you guys so much for watching. See you guys in the next video. Bye.